In this lesson, we will cover base64 and string function. So we create a flow, instant cloud flow base64 function, string functions, manually trigger. Let's add a function, initialize variable, INITIA, initialize variable. The variable name is string base64, or rather the string x, which is a string. Its value is hi or hello world. Now we save it. We switch to the old designer. Hello world. New step. First variable would be string. New step, initialize variable. Variable string base64. String, and its value would be expression base64. That's the function, and inside that you pick the dynamic content string x. Say okay, run it and see. The base64 value may not make much sense. What are you going to make out of this? So in case in somewhere we are stuck with this set variable or initialize variable string up base64 to string. String. Here we will convert base64 to string. Here it was so string to base64 was here. Now base64 to string. So we call the function base64 to string. Value, which one is base64 string? We are string base64. Variable base64 to string. Yeah. Okay. We'll test it now. First, it is hello world. It gets converted to base64. Then from base64 back to string. In the first case, we use the function base64. In the second case, we use base64 to string. So this is how you convert between base64 to string and string to base64. Bye bye.